Hello viewers, today I will show you how to split a table or how to join 2 or 3 tables in a word. Sometimes we fall such situation that we copied some tables from other sources that are very big and cannot fit in one page. And sometimes there is footer and header in the word file, so the table looks very great and cannot be moved downward. So those who are not very professional yet on Word, so this video is for them. So let's teach you how to solve this issue. So let me copy one big table. So this is my Excel sheet. So I am copying, say, for this amount of table in my Word. See, yes. So once I copied this table, it goes 2 pages. So there is one gap. If I want to break it, it is not breaking. So how to break? First, which row you want to keep as first row, you need to select this cell, any of the cell, and then go to the table design and layout, and then here you see there is one term split table. So if you click on the split table, see, it automatically divided into 2 tables. There is one table, there is another table. Now you can move downward, you can move upward. Okay, so there is no line in the table. So that can be done in many ways. So best way is to cut the table and put the last row of the table where you want to merge it, and right click, and here is, you see, merged table. Okay, if you click here, so now you see all are merged. Now it becomes a single table. So this is the easiest way and to split the table or join or merge a table. Hope this video will help you. Thank you very much.